So Richard, I've heard once or twice a year you do this very special workshop called Living Your Soul's Destiny. What is it about?
Well, it's about learning how to live in soul consciousness. There are basically 4 steps. Learning how to connect with your soul, how to befriend your soul, most importantly, learning how to trust your soul, and then becoming one with your soul.
I can imagine that you do need to know yourself stepping into a course like that.
Well, yes, this course is really designed for people who are seeking a deeper understanding to their life, what's important. So what we do in this course is we help people to find out what stage of psychological development they're at, what's holding them back, and how to release those fears that are holding them back so they can lead a fulfilling life.
Yeah.
In fact, increase their level of well-being.
Yes. And it's a face-to-face course, right?
Yeah.
Where you're working together with an experienced team of facilitators.
Yes, we have a very experienced team. We've been doing this for several years now. My wife, Krista Schreiber, she's a clinical psychologist. She works with me on this, and we have 2 other people who are very experienced facilitators who help us to manage the whole course. There is there is some presentation by me, and there's a lot of interaction between the participants.
Right. So what kind of impact will it have on my life attending this course?
Well, basically, it's a pathway to living your soul destiny, but it's about releasing the fears that are blocking you from finding fulfillment in your life and finding joy in your life. And so it's no matter what stage of development you're at, and we have people all ages on this course, it helps you to move forward on your journey of psychological development.
And if you need to know any more information on this course, you can just read it on this website, of course.
Correct. We look forward to welcoming you on this course. We have had many people on this course over the years, and every one of them has had an amazing experience, and I think you will too.